Today I am going to review ESET North 32 Antivirus 6. This internet security pack is good for personal usage. There are two editions available under Home Security. The first one is ESET Smart Security 6, which is a complete security pack that comes with anti-theft, firewall, anti-spam and parental control. While the second one is ESET North 32 Antivirus 6, which I am going to review, provide features like anti-spyware, social media scanning, anti-phishing and removable drive scanning. It is an entry-level antivirus. ESET Nord 32 Antivirus 6 is an ideal choice for home usage. It is low on system hardware and the powerful protection features keep your system secured from various threats. It has simple interface that make it very easy to use. ESET also offers different set of security packages like Smart Security 6, Nord 32, Antivirus 6, Cyber Security Pro, Cyber Security and Family Security Pack. Only Smart Security 6 and Family Security Pack has complete set of features, while Nord 32 Antivirus 6 is missing features like parental control, personal firewall, anti-theft and anti-spam. We will first move ahead with the installation procedure. It promises a new anti-phishing module which is smarter to catch fake website and blocking your personal information from getting away on web. The installation process is very simple. It comes with a live web installer. You have to download that live installer from the official website and then you can run the setup. Once it is installed, it offers overall protection. The antivirus also scan removable and optical drives so that any infection through them can be avoided. Also, you can surf on web very easily. It has a powerful anti-phishing feature that ensure that whatever website you are visiting is quite proper and does not has any malicious code on it. ESET Nord 32 Antivirus 6 has a very simple interface. You can see the home screen here. After installation, I did not found any major changes in the CPU usage, but the RAM usage is increased. That is acceptable. As you can see in the image, the antivirus looks very simple. There are two columns on the antivirus where on the left side you can see all the categories and on the right side you see all additional options. The first section here is computer scan, which gives you all kind of scanning output. You can see the options like smart scan, custom scan, logs, etc. Here smart scan check out the most crucial part of your system. To get more detail on the file scanning, just click on open scan in new window and you will get a live update of file scan or any kind of error or threat whichever it is detected in the system with location. This offers a more transparent information. Smart scan work on the basis of pre-configured setting that is possible to modify. At the end you can see computer scan setup. Just click on that and you will see a configuration window. In this window you can manage how smart scan can react when you click on it or what type of scan to run. North 32 Antivirus 6 offers hundreds of options by which you can completely customize the antivirus and improve its performance. Under the same window, you can see settings which are divided in terms of categories like antivirus and anti-spyware, HIPS, web and email, updates, etc. In the first one, you can manage the scanning behavior and make your antivirus performance more effective. Like you can enable or disable anti-stealth technology, block installation of unsafe applications, etc. Through removable scan, you can enable or disable automatic scanning options for USB drive, and also you can set different set of rules to manage media content on these devices. This antivirus does not has a personal firewall, but it offers you an additional feature which is called as host-based intrusion prevention system. By default, the settings are applied on it, which makes your system more secure from external threat, but you can make it more accurate by changing the filtering mode here. It is just like a firewall. Under web and email protection, you can find some additional setting to protect your system from threat which comes from emails and download. We are missing an anti-spam option here, but somehow the antivirus is enough to deal with various threats that comes through email and internet. There are separate settings available to manage email client. It is basically on your requirement how you want to customize the setting, which makes it more flexible and also a nice option for those who is looking for advanced solution. There are more number of advanced protection available under settings like HTTP checking, URL address management, protocol filtering where you can exclude IP address and application, and under SSL management. This was the advanced setting menu, and we'll go back on the home screen and check out other options. On the screen, you can see the setup section. This section allows you to customize the antivirus setting. You can see some frequently used options which are added by default, and you can simply enable and disable it quickly. You can also export the setting and import it on another system which has the same kind of antivirus. The last section that we are going to see is tools. The tools section has additional utilities that comes commonly in many antivirus. The first one here is log file that give you log report of system scanning and virus detection. The second one is scheduler where you can check up the task and you can also configure some automated tasks which will be launched at a specific time. The third section is protection statistic where you can get a glimpse of security stats which is represented in a simple visual form. This simply tell you the status of your system scanning and the infection which are detected. Instead of going in much detail, you can instantly find out how much your system is and what are the recent infection. So you can visit this path frequently to check out your security status. The fourth part is quarantine, where you can see the files which are logged by the antivirus to avoid infections. Under watch activity, the antivirus monitors the hard drive. It constantly monitors the disk activity. So if your system is in idle mode and the disk usage is high, then it means there are some suspicious application in the background. Another utility ESET Sys Inspector, which is a kind of a smart feature from this antivirus. This tool simply collects information about your system, like the drivers, software, LAN connectivity, and system registry entries. Depending on your system, the tool takes time to gather complete information, and at the end, it generates a detailed log report. This report gives information on the active process, LAN connection, registry error, services, driver, critical files, etc. So at a single place, you can get a complete information on each and everything which is going inside in your system. Running process is just like a task manager tool which gives you a more enhanced information on the activities in your system. The application offers you clean information about the current active process and thread associated with it. When you select an application at the lower side, the antivirus displays you important information regarding the file version, location, description, and size. Along with this, there are two more advanced options available that can help your system in recovery process. The first is ESET Sys Rescue. It is a system rescue application. It is an advanced option that allows you to restore your system in case of serious problem. SysRescue works with Windows Automated Installation Kit. You will need to download that. The download size of that is around 1 GB, which you can get on the official Microsoft website. You have to then click on SysRescue and provide the location of Automated Installation Kit. The antivirus will create a bootable Windows disk that will help you to scan and fix problem with when your system is not able to start. One more new addition in ESET Antivirus 6 is ESET Social Media Scanner. This is a dedicated utility for scanning your Facebook wall. It protects the Facebook page from malicious content. For that, you have to add an application on your Facebook page that you can find in the search box. It is also capable of scanning your system directly through the web. The tool is extremely easy to use and effective also. Right now, there is no options available for any other social networking platform. It does not automatically wipe out spam, but at least it can keep your Facebook page secure from third-party threats. ESET North32 Antivirus 6 is a fast and reliable solution for single PC. It offers a comprehensive pack of tools that can be used for advanced troubleshooting also. It is a fast antivirus that detects hidden threats also, and on the same hand it gives real-time system update. With clean interface and simple to use option, you can simply optimize it and control the scanning behavior. The antivirus is very light on system resources. The cost of this antivirus for single PC is rupees 1175 for 1 year, and you can see the other pricing options also on the screen. The positive point of ESET North 32 Antivirus 6 is it is good in performance, cloud scanning, real time protection, real time system updates, system recovery features. The negative aspect of this antivirus is it is not having a personal firewall. That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news, and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.